I watched the recent interview, that you gave, and you talked about taking break from acting.
I know, I literally spoke about it yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, and that's really courageous thing to do, at a stage where you've already achieved so much. And it's not that, you were, I mean, the certain circumstances happened and you thought that, okay, I should be taking a break. Tell me, at what point, Bhumi, were there any roles, were there anything specific that made you feel that, okay, it's time for me to recalibrate things now?
No, I think, you just personally feel stagnated. And I think one of my biggest fears in life was that I don't want to be mediocre where my performance is concerned. And I felt like I'm going towards that path only because I just felt depleted. एक खालीपन जब आपको महसूस होने लगता है.
Right.
And मुझे ना बहुत प्यार है सिनेमा से. I love what I do. I have wanted to do this since I was 12. मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है to make sure that I get this platform. और मुझे लग रहा था हल्की corruption आ गई थी मुझ में.
अच्छा.
So it was important for me to take that break for that corruption to go.
Corruption in sense, the way you portray a character, the way you... Okay.
It's just not one thing, just as a human being, the reason you're choosing a piece of material, what you want. And I was like, okay, I've completed 10 years. I took this break in my 10th year as I completed a decade, right? A decade, 25 pieces of work, so many loved films, such great opportunities. But I felt like if I need longevity for the next 2 decades, I had to take those months off. ये जो 10 महीने मैंने छुट्टी ली थी, and best decision of my life.
Okay. Was it to do with the movies or the response that say some of your last movies or show had got, that Royal had got mixed response? I mean, there were like polarized reactions, and even to some of the movies like Mere Husband Ki Bevi, or there was Raksha Bandhan, Lady Killer, and all of those movies in between.
I feel like it is not about how a piece performs, it is just about what do I have left in me to give more. It is 10 years of work. Before that, for 4 years, I was working behind the camera. I didn't ever pause. And I'm an artist. I'm not a factory. I think we forget that.
That's true.
मेरा काम है कि मैं best काम दूँ. और क्या ना, as women, we don't have the luxury of doing one film in 2 years because we are not paid that way. राइट मुझे तो अपना घर चलाना है, तो हमें लगता है 3 फिल्में करते, 4 फिल्में करते. कोशिश यही होती है कि वो करने के उसमें that we still choose great work. And I was like, I need to pause. I need to like go back to doing films. Why I started doing films, that's because I love it. Not for any other reason.
Not for money also.
Money is important. Is it not important?
It is. It is. But you mentioned about not being, paid more.
No, I don't want any corruption in my choices. For that.
Okay.
And I've really...
Like not doing movie just for the sake of money is what you mean? Okay.
And I felt like अब मैं उस तरफ शायद जा रही हूँ, तो मुझे कहीं पे वो होए उसके पहले मुझे stop कर देना था.
Good. Would it be also somewhere right to say that, I mean, see, after Royals, you chose this. ये आपने ज़बरदस्ती you thought that, okay, because Royal, I mean, the characters are completely different.
No, I actually read Royals and Dal within the same week.
Okay. Oh. And you shot one after the other or simultaneously?
I shot one after the other.
Okay.
This Dal was shot right after Royals.
Oh, okay.
In 2024. So the first 3 months I was shooting Royals. Then we had a few months in the middle. The moment monsoon hit, we started shooting Dal. And I'm not somebody who strategizes a lot about my life.
Achha.
I read a piece of work and something about it connects with me and I do it. And Dal was just that. मैंने ना बहुत टाइम बाद एक intelligent writing देखी थी. मैंने बहुत, और क्या है, there's been a lot of work that's done in this genre.
Exactly. Crime thrillers are go-to genre on OTT.
Absolutely. And it's thoroughly enjoyed. And with women, wonderful actors leading it.
Yeah.
Right? I was like, how is it? I was very curious to see, have they disrupted it? And to me, they have. Because it's not a who-done-it.
Exactly.
You know who's done it.
Yeah.
It's a why done it. And yet to keep the audience hooked on. Because you are invested in the characters. You're not really invested in what is happening in the story. You are invested in that as well because the characters are so interested कि आपको लगता है ये शायद अब ये होगा पर वो कुछ और ही कर जाते हैं. And you're also interested in the beautiful world of Mumbai Police that's been shown. है ना, मैं तो बार बार कहती हूँ मुंबई पुलिस is the best. I'm a Mumbaikar and Mumbai Police is the best. But also just, the inter-department politics. You know, it's so quirky.
The patriarchy,
characters are the patriarchy, and it's been done in a very satire. There's a lot of satire in the show. So you're already so uncomfortable with everything that's happening, and these moments kind of make you crack up. I don't know if you had that experience.
I had.
But when I saw the show for the first time, मुझे ना बहुत हंसी आ रही थी.
The scenes also between Geeta Agarwal and you.
Yeah, and the commissioner and me.
Yeah, commissioner.
You know, he's such a sigh, he's such a relief in the show.
There are certain, you know, things in the show which, you know, you find it little, you're taken aback. You know. Tell me, what were the traumatic things for you to do while you were filming for the show?
You know, for me, honestly, every time there was a murder that had happened, you know, just the way it was done was a lot, right? And I don't know how did the actors go through it, the ones that were playing the victims, because it must be very, very tough for them. But if I think of it on a more cerebral level, I feel the show forced me to deal with a lot of my childhood trauma.
Okay.
You know, कई बार हमको पता भी नहीं होता कि हम certain experiences के through गए हैं, right? And a lot of that also happened because I was working with a psychologist, with a criminal psychologist, the director and I both.
Okay.
And through a lot of our sessions, I was like, yeah, you're right. See, and especially as women, there's a lot of casual sexism. There's a lot of repression. There's a lot of bullying that we deal with, you know, and I did not even realize the impact all of that had on me, even though I'm very vocal about it because, you know, I'm aware that I went through these experiences, but I did not realize how deep that impact was.
Would you like to touch upon those things, as in the childhood trauma you spoke about,
I think
bullying
I just feel like, you know, when you're growing up in school, bullying hoti hai, you know, kids are mean.
Yeah.
And I felt like I've dealt with it in the best way because I have a great family that I came back to, but I don't think I did.
Okay, so you kept it to yourself.
I know, I never kept it to
myself. Never kept it
but
to yourself.
There is still a difference between sharing it with people and actually as an adult understanding that a lot of your decisions that you make kind of go back to that child. Because all of us have an unhealed child in us, you know. So I think there was a lot of reflecting over there. Also understanding how much of my personal life experience I want to lend to this character. Because she is broken.
Yes.
She is dark.
Yeah.
You know, she's punishing herself. I'm the opposite of that, you know. But yet I had to go into experiences that I had gotten over and healed from, because that's what actors do, right? हमें मजा आता है खुद को torture करने में because वो मेरा bank of experiences है.
And you're referring to this bullying and the childhood trauma.
Many things. You know, there's so many things that we go through. I'm 35 and 35 years of me and out of those 35, I started working when I was 17. You know, there's so much. It can also be a way a man touched you on a busy street. That feeling, that touch you'll never forget. That is trauma that my body has stored.
Yes.
You know, and I remember those instances so clearly. So how much of that where I wanted to use? So, you know, it was a challenging shoot for me. Let me just put it that way.